Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a cleaning hack. You should deep clean your shower head at least once a month to remove mineral deposits like limescale. Limescale not only slows water flow and reduces water pressure, but it can also serve as a breeding ground for health-threatening bacteria. To show you the easiest way to do it, I will clean my kitchen faucet's shower head. You can see how gross it looks and how clogged up it is. It's full of limescale and grime. I can't even remember when was the last time I cleaned it. This is disgusting. You need white vinegar, a ziplock bag and a rubber band. If you don't have a ziplock bag, you can use any little bag you have, a freezer bag or a sandwich bag, etc. And if you don't have a rubber band, you can use a hair band. Put vinegar into the bag, place the shower head into the vinegar and block it with the rubber band. Make sure the vinegar is covering all the grimy area. If you have a shower head that unscrews, you can unscrew it and submerge it in vinegar into a jar, container, bucket, whatever you have. You can see it starts to bubble up. The vinegar is working on those calcium deposits. You can already see into the bag some limescale pieces floating around. Let the vinegar do its job overnight. It's very important to do this as often as possible because your shower head can harbor mold, harmful bacteria, and crusty mineral buildup. Scientists have found that residential shower heads harbor mycobacterium, which can cause lung disease. In the morning, remove the vinegar bag and voila! The vinegar dissolved all the limescale deposits, the grime, and disinfected your shower head too. No need of harsh chemicals. You can see into the bag all that nastiness. You may not be able to spot bacteria and slime buildup in your shower head, but there are other signs that it's time to give it a deep cleaning. Water sprays in a different direction that it should. Some nozzles in the shower head don't spray at all. The pressure coming out of the shower head is low even with the water turned on all the way. You see pink or orange slime around the nozzles, or there's gray, green or white crust growing on the shower head. The grime and limescale are coming right off when I wipe it with that paper towel. So easy, no need to scrub, because the vinegar melted everything. This is the fastest way to clean your shower head. Now you can see how clean it is. No more limescale, grime, mold, bacteria, sparkling clean, like new. The after is amazing. Please let me know in the comments below when was the last time you cleaned your shower head. If you really want to take an extra step, spray some dish soap or disinfecting spray on it. I used here some Ajax Green Apples disinfecting spray that smells amazing, and scrub with a toothbrush or cleaning brush, then rinse it. And if you do a test, the nozzles are working perfectly. This is the final result, no words needed. I did other videos regarding bathroom cleaning or kitchen cleaning. If you're interested, I will link some of them at the end. If you want to learn how to clean other areas in your home or other cleaning hacks, please subscribe. I have a lot of videos like this. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it and see you next time. Bye!